Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. In today's video I am going to show you guys step by step how to make a very crispy green plantain and carrot fritters. Okay, it's so easy to do and it's really delicious. It's like an appetizer, so if you craving something you can make it really quickly. Be sure you are subscribed to the channel because hello, you need to subscribe. I'll wait. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do it now. You done? Thank you for subscribing. You can also bake this fritters. I know it's fritters, you're supposed to fry it, but you can definitely bake it. It's going to taste the same. You can bake it, okay? Be sure you are subscribed. Thumbs up the video if you enjoy watching the video, and also let me know down below what do you think about these type of fritters. Okay, you can also make this, you know, customize it, make it with potatoes or whatever. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, let's begin. I am using 1 green plantain and 1 carrot. So be sure to use the grater that I am using. If you're using the square one, be sure not to use the one with the hole in it because the texture is going to be too smooth. You don't want that kind of texture. You're looking for like hash brown texture like. So yeah. Okay, now time to grate my carrot. As you guys can see how the texture looks like. It's long, it's not like the other texture. Now be sure you remove those little carrot bites in there because you don't want those in there. Now I am using a little bit of lime juice to prevent my plantain to turn brown, and now I am using adobo seasoning, chili powder, and also I am using some garlic powder, onion powder over here, onion powder, and some dry pepper flakes. I am using ground black pepper in there, and also I just added some breadcrumbs. I am going to add a little bit more breadcrumbs. Later you will see why I added that much breadcrumbs. Okay, now I am adding chopped green onions and also some chopped parsley. It's gonna be very delicious. Okay, now I am adding 1 large egg in there, and we're going to mix everything around. By the way, I added a little bit of salt, not too much. I'm not a big fan of salt, just so you guys know, because salt is not good for you, my friend. High blood pressure, hypertension. Okay, now I am going to add a little bit more breadcrumbs, like I said, because I want this to have a patty like texture. So if I see it's too loose or too smooth, I am going to add more breadcrumbs until I have that nice thick, you know, patty like, so it doesn't fall apart when I'm frying it. Okay, like I said, you can also customize this, use potatoes or other type of vegetable that you guys like. It will just taste really good when you add all that spice and seasoning in there. Okay, now I am adding a little bit more breadcrumbs as I go because I feel like it's too soft. It's gonna fall apart once you start baking it, so be sure to add more breadcrumbs if you have to, and be sure to make it very thin, not too thick, because the inside might not cook when you're frying it. So be sure to make sure it's thin. And this is how you check if your oil is hot. Just add a little stick in there if it's frying, if you see bubbles. So now I am about to fry it. As you guys can see, it has a nice really golden color. It's because of the carrots. Carrots has such a beautiful orange color. Look at this, it looks so good. I think this is a vegan this is definitely vegan approved. One little thing, when they start cooling down, they do change color. This is how it looks. It was really good, you guys. I enjoy eating it. Let me know if you're going to try this, because it's so easy, and you can mix and match vegetable, and it's healthy. Okay, you can bake it like I said. This is it. I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Thumbs up the video, comment down below what other recipes you want me to try, and be sure you are subscribed to the vlog channel, because I will be adding a new vlog on the 1st of May. Thanks for watching. Bye.